Here's how to fix this version of AMD Radeon Software is not compatible error. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open Device Manager and expand the Display Adapters section. Find your AMD graphics card in the list, then right-click on it and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. If the rollback driver option is available, click it and follow the instructions to return to the previous driver version. However, if the rollback driver option is unavailable or grayed out, click Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your AMD graphics card from the list and click Next. Windows will now install the selected driver on your computer. Once that's complete, open your web browser and search for AMD driver downloads. Open the official AMD website from the search results. Scroll down until you find the Windows 10 and Windows 11 drivers section. Select the option to download the Windows driver. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to begin installing the latest AMD drivers. After the installation has finished, restart your computer if prompted. You should now be able to open AMD Radeon Software without receiving the compatibility error. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.